To change wallpaper on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, go for the wallpaper and style, and right here you have to go for the wallpaper. And here you can find some system wallpapers. These are basically some pictures which are pre-installed on your phone, and you can select them for your wallpaper. And you can also select the picture from your gallery, from your photos. So as you tap on this button right here and allow the access for this application to use photos, you'll be able to choose from your photos, the wallpaper from your photos. I currently don't have any pictures on this phone right here, but I will select from the system wallpapers. So select any wallpaper that you like, simply tap on this one, and now you can adjust it. You can pinch, you can like move around this picture right here, and yeah, after that simply press this button to set as, and you can change the wallpaper for the lock screen, home screen, and both of them. So I'd like to change the wallpaper for both of these screens, home screen and lock screen, and now wait for the settings to apply, and the wallpaper has been set successfully. So now let's take a look. Right here we have this wallpaper on the home screen, and now let me quickly lock the phone, and here this is the wallpaper on the lock screen. So that's how you can do this. Pretty simple, right?